In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict item editing of a column in a list in Microsoft Lists 2026 Full Guide. If you manage shared lists, you know how easy it is for important fields to get changed by mistake. A quick and effective way to reduce this risk is to hide a column so it isn't visible during everyday use. That removes the most common path for accidental edits while keeping your data intact. Start by opening Microsoft Lists. You can get there from your Microsoft 365 app launcher or by navigating to the site where your list lives. Make sure you're signed in with an account that can modify views and columns. If you're working in a team space, it's a good idea to confirm you have edit rights on that list before continuing. Next, select the list you want to adjust. Open it so you can see the full grid of items and column headers. If your list has multiple views, be mindful that hiding a column applies to the current view you're in. So switch into the view your team actually uses day to day before making the change. This keeps the experience consistent for everyone and avoids surprise differences between views. Now hover over or click the header of the column you want to protect, then click the small drop-down arrow that appears on the right side of the column name. This menu gives you quick access to options that control how the column looks and behaves in the view. If you don't see the arrow, try widening the column slightly or make sure you're not in full screen grid edit mode. From that drop-down, choose column settings. This opens a list of actions tailored to the selected field. You'll notice options that affect formatting and visibility. We're focusing on visibility to cut off casual edits. Select hide this column. As soon as you do, the column disappears from the current view. This reduces the chance that teammates will change it accidentally in the regular list view or while scanning and editing rows. It also helps keep forms cleaner in many common scenarios, guiding people to update only the fields they truly need. A few important tips before we wrap up. Hiding a column is about usability and guidance. It doesn't change who has permission to edit the list overall. People with sufficient rights could still reach the field through other specialized paths. So think of this as a strong nudge rather than a security barrier. If you want to bring the column back later, open any visible columns dropdown, go to column settings, and manage visibility to unhide it. And if your organization needs stricter control, consider using dedicated permissions or form customization in addition to this approach. That's it. Simple, quick, and effective for minimizing unwanted edits in Microsoft Lists.